Ciira wa kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza ni wambiririe guthikiririo umuthi bunge-ini ya Senate na kuria kanire thitango ciothe mugwanja iria imukuriire maitho.
The Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, how do you plead to the 7 charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Kugerera mawakili yao matongoretio ni muthomithio Nkolu, arugamirirĩa wodi ya kaunti ya Meru ni moritie maseneta makindire kuhagurwo gwa Kawira ta gavana wa Meru, makiuga utongoria wake ni ukirukite mihaka na kuhanda ngahe kaunti-ini ya Meru.
We are asking you to borrow from Nicholas I of Russia in 1825-1826 to prove that the Senate of the Republic of Kenya can actually do things properly by impeaching a rogue governor.
Nkolu ni ongereire kuga Kawira ni kuigio teragwo na ndagicenjia na uguo kuria maseneta matikaheneke ni kwinyihia gwake ta uria kire mwaka muhituku riria ari na ciira ta uyu wa kuhagurwo.
In short, she will come to you looking as meek as a lamb, but luckily we have lived through the experience, Mr. Speaker. Our message to the Senate is if you acquit her this time, she will walk out this door and it will be KIENE, KUGERERA. Whatever will be, I don't care. Na liwe liwalo, and Meru will be back to the perpetual, endless crisis.
Ona kuri uguo Kawira kugerera mawakili yake matongoretio ni wakili Elishogoya ni ageire kiene thitango ciothe iria imukuriire maitho, akiuga wira uria utemanitio ni bunge ya Meru ndukinyaniire ikiro cia kiwatho.
Evidence is not counted. Evidence is weighed. Eventually, put this evidence on the weighing scale and come to a consensus conclusion that can we in good conscience remove a fellow citizen from the high office of governor on the strength of the material presented before us.
Oho Kawira ni akuruhanitie kuhagurwo gwake na itumi cia giuteti kaunti-ini ya Meru, rugakiuria maseneta matigetikire kuhumbo maitho na itumi cia giuteti magikinyaniria itua riao ria muthia.
4 things belong to a judge: to hear courteously, to answer wisely, to consider soberly, and to decide impartially. If you do that, she asks for no more favor. The chips will fall in their place and she will naturally be vindicated.
Ciira wa Kawira urathikiririo ni seneti iri yothe kuria maseneta mauma na mweke wa kuuria mawakili na aira ciuria kuria umuthi aira bunge ya Meru nio mekuhugagwo mahuri ari ni hamwe na mutongoria wa aria ingi Evans Karia na Paul Mwakiaremi uria ni murugamiriri munene wa bodi ya kuramata wendia wa njohi kaunti-ini ya Meru, hamwe na thitango iria Kawira thitangiirwo ni uhuthiri moru wa wabici na indo cia muingi, undu umwe na kwandika andu wira hamwe na andu a nyumba yake ategukurania bodi ya wandikani ya kaunti iyo.
Forwarded to the
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.